Are you looking to generate catchy taglines and slogans with AI? Well, you're in the right place. In just a few minutes, I'm going to show you how to use AI to create memorable, attention-grabbing phrases that stick, whether you're brainstorming for a brand or campaign. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to leverage AI for catchy taglines and slogans that resonate with your audience. The first thing to know is that AI tools make it incredibly easy to get started. No need to sit for hours trying to come up with the perfect tagline or slogan. AI does most of the heavy lifting for you. Let's dive into how this works. To generate effective taglines, we'll start by giving the AI a little context. You'll want to tell it what your brand or product is about and the emotional response you want to evoke. For instance, are you aiming for something fun and lighthearted, or something more serious and professional? This helps the software understand the tone and direction you're going for. Once you input this information, the AI will process it and provide you with a list of possible taglines. The trick here is to look at what it suggests and think about how it aligns with your message. Often, the first suggestions might be too generic, but that's where your creative instincts come in. Refine it, tweak it, and try running a few variations through the software. Here's the fun part. As you refine and adjust, the AI learns your preferences. Over time, it gets better at understanding your specific style, producing even more relevant results. It's a game changer because you get a variety of fresh ideas in seconds, and you don't have to start from scratch every time. But here's where it gets interesting. With some of these AI tools, you can ask for more than just suggestions. You can set specific parameters, like targeting a specific audience or using certain words or themes, and get a more tailored result. This is where you can really start to fine-tune your ideas to align with what resonates with your target market. Now, before we move on, I want to let you know that I've tested some of the most popular AI slogan tools out there, and I've found one that's a cut above the rest. If you want to follow along and try this out yourself, I've got an exclusive free trial of our software linked in the description below. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. A key takeaway from this video: AI can help you generate catchy taglines and slogans quickly and effectively, but the magic really happens when you refine the output to match your brand's tone and voice. It's not about finding the perfect phrase on the first try. It's about experimenting and fine-tuning. So remember, if you want to follow along, be sure to check out that exclusive free trial in the description. And to wrap it up, here's a quick recap. Start with clear input, experiment with variations, and use the AI's learning power to fine-tune your results for the perfect tagline or slogan. Simple, effective, and fast. Thanks for watching.